How to turn on parental controls on Google. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn on parental controls on Google. First, go to your Google. Here, search for google.com/preferences. Now turn on Save Search. Scroll down and hit the Save button to save changes. Now, the important thing here to know is Google does its best to block the malicious sites, but it doesn't work 100%. So it is better to add another layer of protection through Chrome extension. So go back to the address bar, chrome.google.com/webstore. Now click on Extensions from your left panel. Then search for Parental Control. You'll find several Chrome extensions which act as parental control. Click on More Extensions to have more. Now click on this extension named Block-C Web Filter. Now click on Add to Chrome. Then select Add Extension. Once it has been added to Chrome, click on Turn on Sync. Now click on Free to continue. Click on Next. Now you need to choose Children preset. Here you can either enter the password or skip this step. That's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.